you have a P0301 through 06 on a Ford 2.7 or 3.5 V6, and you get this message on your app, it is likely your coil or your spark plug. At the end of this video, I will have an end card showing how to replace the spark plug. The P0301 corresponds with cylinder 1 all the way through P030 up to 6. What I'm working on here today is a 2019 F-150. Has a check engine code here, and it was flashing earlier. What happens is the engine is shaking when it's under load. When you get off a load, it smooths out a little bit, but still skips a little bit. It had a P0303. That check engine code says in cylinder 3 it has a misfire. So it's either the coil or the spark plug. Here's a diagram and how they're numbered. I purchased a new coil and I'm going to replace that. To start, we're going to have to remove this wiring harness here. We're going to push down on this little tab here. Pull that back, then push down on the back of the tab and remove it. Okay, I have all the ignition coils on this bank undone, so I can pull this wiring harness up, and I'm going to take a 10mm deep well and remove the stud. Okay, got that stud removed. Go down here, twist the boot, and pull it out. Okay, got my coil there. I'm going to go and put it on, twist it, and then put that bolt in here. Okay, now that I got that stud in there, I'm going to go and plug this coil in. Okay, it's hard to get the camera back there. Just plug this in, push that locking tab all the way forward. After you had made your repairs, after you drive a while, the check engine light will go out on its own.